In a misty rainforest, a lone hiker faces a squall and must improvise shelter from wind and rain with fallen branches and a tarp. The guide breaks down step by step how to select a site, anchor cords, and weave a lean-to that survives gusts. Expert tips cover firecraft in damp conditions, water purification from a muddy stream, and signaling for help when visibility drops. A personal story reveals a near-miss rescue, highlighting calm breathing, deliberate movements, and checklist-based decisions. Viewers are encouraged to practice 3 shelter setups in a park and adapt drills to new terrain.